Nasur mana?
Thank you. What of my cup?
Use the particle.
Good NOS. The Triko? Yes, sir. Where is the voting place? Well, I feel highly fulfilled and accomplished, and I give all praise and gratitude to our Creator, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, that has made us to see this day that we are electing, going for the National Assembly and presidential elections. After so many hiccups, so many fears and apprehensions, at least it has come to stay. We are very grateful. We hope the election is going to be as peaceful as I have seen. I'm here in my village, about 120 kilometers away from the Bauchi metropolis, and I can see everybody is calm, and I'm really very accomplished that this day has come, and I praise the INEC as an empire, and of course even the presidency for having the political will to take us that far.
So what's your expectation after that?
Well, we are expecting victory by the grace of God for my party. We have campaigned very well, and but certainly this is not the day for saying such things, because it's not a day for campaign. But I'm very, very optimistic that Nigerians will vote our party into the various offices, presidency, National Assembly, and hopefully when we come next 2 weeks, they will vote me by the grace of God.